Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It's so good to be here today. It's Wednesday, December 16th, and look who's here. The commish is back, and we've got some more GG tags to pass out this week.
Oh, yes, we do,
That's
which
amazing.
is amazing. I know.
Yeah. Let's start with the Pledge of Allegiance first. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, commish.
Yes.
So, I saw students all over the place showing me their GG tags, and then I saw people working on ST Math all the time this week, which is amazing.
People are doing crazy progress this week. It was so awesome.
That's so cool. Any chance you brought GG with you this week?
Okay, Mr. Wright, Gigi called me and was like, I'm on a snow trip skiing down the mountain right now and I cannot be there.
Really?
And I was like, are you serious, Gigi? We're here working, getting our tags, doing all our math, and you're skiing down the slopes? But I'm glad he's having fun. He sent me a picture, Mr. Wright.
He sent you a picture?
Yeah, could you put it up there?
Oh, sure.
There he is.
Oh, my goodness. Well, it looks like he got into a snowball fight with some lemurs or something. What are those things?
They're just like freaky snow creatures, and they were nailing his friends. Like Mr. Tomato got nailed. He wasn't happy with that, but anyways, he's looking a little frazzled. But he said he's having a great time.
Yeah, and look what else he says there. If I move us out of the way.
Oh, he sent us happy
holidays from the Mind family. That's the Mind Institute is the people that made ST Math. So Gigi probably doesn't even know how much all of these guys have passed this week.
Well, I did tell him on the phone call, but he didn't know about
Nice.
this week again. It's like he's going to be amazed, to be honest with you. I'm amazed. Do you know one kid got 80% this
Already?
week?
That's
I don't
incredible.
know how. I don't know how.
That's
Some
amazing.
people are crazy good math kids.
So who gets a tag this week?
Okay, so we'll start with kindergarten. Did you know that the one and only Mr. Carlos is at 40%? Okay, so then we'll go to first grade. 40% are Zach and Lily, and then 60% Bentley. Oh my gosh, first grade, way to bust it out. Now, I could tell second grade was working hard. They have 4 students making it for 20%. So that is Kalani, Emery, Christian, and Azariah. Woo woo!
Nice.
And last but not least, second grader who literally is at 80%, which is hard to believe. And let's give him a big round of applause, Mr. Owen.
Nice job. He might be an ultimate champion in January.
Yeah, I'm shocked. I'm just so shocked. Keep up the good work. Hopefully, I'll be giving out even more after break. That's so exciting.
Nice. That's awesome. So here's a cool way to spread joyfulness this week. If you just heard one of your classmates' names get called for getting the GG tag, make sure you give them some huge compliments and tell them what a good job they did.
Give them a little whoop whoop.
That's right. Have a great day, Achieve.